Procrastinators, listen up. Tonight, the clock is still ticking. Monday is your deadline to file your taxes.
Yeah, talking about this money, right? Because right now we have answers to your top tax questions like what happens if you don't file or pay on time. 10 Tampa Bay anchor Josh Sidorowitz is here to verify.
Okay, well, let's start there. So if you owe the IRS money, we can verify you will face a penalty fee and interest too if you do not pay by the deadline, which of course is end of day on Monday. Now, if the IRS owes you, you won't have to pay a penalty. You just won't get your refund until you file that return. If the issue is not being able to pay what you owe by the deadline, there is still incentive to at least file your return on time because it does lower that penalty. And remember, Social Security benefits are taxable too. You might want to pause this here for reference because how much of it you have to pay taxes on, as you can see here, well, that depends on your overall income and also whether you file as an individual or jointly. Now, if you are getting an extension, the IRS does let you request one to file your returns. But again, if you owe, you still got to pay on time, even if you are getting that extension. The extension request form, it will have a line where you estimate the taxes you think you owe. The IRS recommends you pay that amount when you submit your extension request. Your new deadline then would be October 15th. And if you are all set here tonight and you're already filed, there is a way that you can go and check the status of your refund right now. The IRS has a tool on its website, or you can use the refund tracker through the IRS 2Go app, the number 2, and there you'll be able to see when the IRS gets your return, when your refund then gets approved, and then finally, once it's being sent out to you. With your Verify, I'm Josh Sidorowitz.
Yeah, hit them up before you holler at us, but you can always send your questions to verify at 10tampabay.com or text 727-577-8522.